Good day, everyone. You're welcome to my class on trigonometry. Based on request, I'll be explaining trigonometry in different series. So it might take us 2-3 series or more than that. But before we go, we need to understand what trigonometry is all about. Now, you must understand that in trigonometry, you must know that it is a branch of mathematics that deals with, number one, the sides, number two, the angles, then number three, a right angle triangle. So on this topic, we'll be dealing with three things: the sides, the angles, and the shape, which is a right angle triangle. Now, from here now, how do we now in the side? We have three sides here. We have the hypotenuse, we have the opposite, and we have the adjacent. So in this class, we'll focus more on the sides of a right angle triangle. Now we have it like this. So here, this is a right angle triangle. How do I know the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent? Now from here now, we need to get this place. This is perpendicular line, which is angle 90 degrees. So whenever we see this, we know that it is angle 90 degrees. That means that the angle here and the angle here, let's call here A and call here B. When they are added together, it must give us 90 degrees. That means A is an acute angle, B is also an acute angle. What an acute angle? Angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So having known that, how do I now identify my hypotenuse here? Now we have to believe that the longer side of a right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. But what if we have a question like this and you're asked to identify the hypotenuse? So the first we need to get here is our perpendicular line, which is angle 90. Once you are able to identify this angle 90, then any side facing angle 90 is our hypotenuse. Then, having known that, the next is our opposite. How do I know my opposite? The opposite here depends on the angle in consideration. If the angle you are dealing with is B, then here is your opposite. But if it is A, here is our opposite, which means that